I've just finished watching the latest AMA of Top Ants, and it provided some insights into their approach within the Web3 space. So if you're tracking new community-driven projects, this might be of interest. By the way, guys, this is not a financial advice, and we are not selling any tokens here. So the founders, Jay Shen and Earl Wells, laid out their goal. The first one is to bring together the global Web3 community. They discuss leveraging these collective benefits like negotiating discounts and airdrop into the real world, mentioning examples such as potential savings on coffees or mobile plans. They also addressed here the common issue in Web3, the projects that offer an airdrop but seen a decline in engagement. Top Ants states that they aim for sustained community involvement through ongoing rewards and plans for a future peer-to-peer marketplace. This marketplace would allow players to potentially sell leveled up in-game characters or items to others. So in terms of the progress of Top Ants, they launched the project in December. By the way, guys, this is not a paid content. They conducted an airdrop in March and reported having nearly 40,000 players per season that got airdrops. They also announced a partnership with the Game Crypto project, which was the Cage Fund. If you're wondering, their ant colony theme is centered on the idea power in numbers, where the collective effort is intended to benefit the entire community. That's my quick look about the Top Ants AMA. So what are your thoughts on projects that focus on real-world benefits? Let me know in the comments.